Today we are making rice.
Say hi.
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 Hi. Well, what are we making?
We're making Buddha bowls.
Buddha bowls. We are making Buddha bowls today.
What's your name?
Kristen.
Kristen Thomas?
Lauren Thomas.
And Lauren. Okay.
And
Hold on. And now each child will make their own bowl with my assistance. And we have here our ingredients, our rice, pre-cooked, rice is already prepared. All the ingredients are already prepared. So tell us what we have. Hold on, we're gonna let Kristen do it. What is this? What is it? What's that? Bring it over here, Lauren, it's in the camera view. Chicken, okay. And what's that Lauren has? What's that?
Carrots.
What's that?
Broccoli.
Yes, and that's mommy's, that's squash.
Squash.
Yes, okay. So now you're gonna take some and you're gonna put it on top of the rice. Good job. Oh, I forgot the pico. We'll get it later because it's like no room.
Mommy.
Hold on, Leah. Okay, that's good. That's enough. Now get some carrots. Hand her the carrots, Lauren. Thank you. Probably should have got a fork. Here, let mommy help you. And all the vegetables are cooked slightly. Now, of course, you can eat it raw. We want to make it nice and pretty, so we're going to put it on this side. We're not going to blend it yet.
Mommy.
You want some more carrots? Let me help you. Okay. Okay, that's good. All right. Now, what do you want next? Some broccoli?
Chicken.
Here, Lauren, clean the spoon off. Oh, sorry.
I want chicken.
That's okay. Just, go ahead.
I want chicken.
Go ahead.
We'll get our own spoon.
No, I guess you can get your own fork that you're gonna use to eat with, and we can use that to serve. A little bit hot. And mommy help.
I want that.
All right, now we gotta get some broccoli. That's not enough chicken. Okay. Put it right here. You don't have anything on that side. There you go. Good job. Okay, Lauren, you can get the pico.
Pico?
You want any more broccoli? Okay.
I don't want it. I don't want any pico.
Oh, you don't want any pico on it? Okay. All right, so are you all done?
You want that one? Squash? Squash.
Okay.
You can't use that.
Yeah, we got it. Yeah, thank you.
My fork.
Put it in your mouth. Just a little bit. This is mommy's. This is raw. So.